the ginataang ampalaya a la Marlinda avocado Bicol dish, ginataang ampalaya. See? And the tinapa is still intact and the ampalaya is only half cooked. So it's not overcooked, that's why it's so good. And all the nutrients and vitamins is still intact on it. Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world, especially Filipinos, working abroad OFWs. Mabuhay po tayong lahat, syempre naman. So for today, we're gonna do Bicolano cooking. Bicol province in the Philippines, of course. We have our all ingredients here in my table, in the kitchen counter. So our dish, ginataang ampalaya. So I'm gonna cook this. I can put this in the freezer if I cannot finish, or I can eat the next day. And we're gonna use 2 cans of coconut milk because it's 2 ampalaya or 2 bitter melon or 2 bitter gourd. It's up to you how you call it. So one is liputok, one is malabnaw. So this is pure 100% coconut milk. It's cream, and this is second gata. And of course, we're gonna use onions and 4 cloves of garlic. Plus, I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes. It's good for the eyes, lycopene. And because I don't like meat or carne for ampalaya, and I don't like eggs for ampalaya, so I'm gonna use tinapang bangus or smoked fish, milk fish. So, and I'm gonna use our Queen or King of Salad Master cookware. This is electric oil skillet, EOC 12 inches. So we're gonna use this for cooking the very healthy meal. So we don't have to gisa-gisa. No need for gisa. Because since I have Salad Master, I usually, most of the time, I don't do saute. I only do saute once in a blue moon, guys. To stop the, because I had 2 clot veins on my heart before. So now I'm free of that because I changed my diet. So watch until the end of the video how I prepare all of this. So, this smoked fish is from last month. My leftover, I eat only 2. Remember the video I show you when I eat the smoked fish with many fruits? So, I'm the person, guys, that hindi ubos-ubos biyaya, bukas nakatunganga. So, when I'm craving for the food that I wanna eat, I eat once. Even I like the food, I save it for another week or another day, not tomorrow. Because, I don't like eating the same food every day. I want different food every day. That's why, now, it's been a long time I didn't cook ginataang ampalaya, so I'm gonna do it today. So, before you gonna cut all the vegetables, I washed this already, and now we're gonna wash the ampalaya as well. Always, guys, remember, put in your mind, always wash vegetables before you cut it. Don't ever wash after you cut it. Why? Because after you cut it, the vegetables, if you wash it, you remove maybe 30-40% of nutrients. So to keep the nutrients in your food, always wash the vegetables before cutting it. And don't ever wash it after you cut. If you really want to be healthy, that's the right way, correct way of preparing your food health. First, we have to cut this. We're gonna remove the seeds. Ayan, pwede nang itanim ang seeds nito. Ipunin ko ang seeds, guys, kasi itatanim ko siya. Maniba lang na siya eh. Diba? At, syempre, kutsarain, use your spoon for easy removing the ayan. So the seeds, I'm gonna pick the seeds and I'm gonna plant it when I go back to the farm in States. Now we have to cut this. Malinis naman yun kasi malinis ang aking sink lagi. Sayang kasi, guys. The bitter melon here is expensive, guys. I'm gonna put this in a bowl. So 2 bitter melon is good for the whole family if you are 4 in the family, 4 person or even 6 person, guys. But for me, maybe only 3 times because, I'm gonna eat this without rice. So this is my meal, guys. No rice, no carbs. Maingay. Tapos ang ating sunod naman natin ay ang ating sibuyas. Sibuyas at bawang, garlic, and onions. Tumutubo na yung aking mga garlic ko. And guys, I'm gonna include the skin because there's a lot of nutrients on the garlic peel. I'm gonna put this here. And then, onion skin, I'm gonna save the onion skin for later for my herbal tea. Kasi naman to kasi para ng plastic eh. Ganun din yung sa garlic, guys. Sinisave ko yan for later. So, we're gonna use the whole onions. Ganyan lang siya. Ayan. Samahin na natin yan doon. Because we're gonna do tambak-tambak system when we cook to Salad Master. Now, with the done cooking. Add a little bit, 1 inch. It's up to you guys, 1 inch ginger. Ginger is very good for the body. Kasi we add the tinapa, yung iba medyo sasabihin nila medyo malangsa. So para pantanggal lang isa. Or if you have lemongrass, guys, you can use lemongrass because I finished all the lemongrass for my herbal, so I have to go out later to buy my lemongrass. For the meantime, I'm gonna use the ginger because ginger is very good for the body and anti-inflammatory. So now we set already the timer, 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We just gonna attach this. This is probe. We're just gonna attach this to the EOC, and then it's clean, guys. I'm gonna show you. See, it's very clean. Oh, pwede kang manalamin. Then we're gonna add all the ingredients here. No need saute guys. Put all the onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes. And then, if you want, it's optional guys. If you want the spicy one, like Bicolano, they like spicy. This is very spicy guys. I'm just gonna add one small piece. This is spicier than siling the cayenne. Cayenne is spicy, but this is spicier than cayenne. So I'm just gonna add one, just a little bit of spicy. So now we're gonna add see guys, the cream. Gata. And we're gonna add the vegetarian seasoning. This is a vegetable seasoning guys. So if you use vegetarian seasoning, don't put any more salt because this is have you know, a little bit salt within it. So just 1 tablespoon. Hindi siya maalat guys. So gagawin ko na siyang 2 tablespoon or 1.5. Hindi kasi siya maalat kasi vegetable siya eh. And then we're gonna add the black pepper, my favorite. And we're gonna add another can of milk. I think this is enough, 1.5 can. Kasi 1 bowl lang naman yung ano eh. So ito, ililipat ko siya sa ibang jar and ilalagay ko sa fridge. And then, para mas malasa guys, to make it more delicious, we're gonna add the tinapa. Still frozen guys, but it's okay. So we're gonna add that. It's boneless. This is boneless smoked fish. And then we're gonna close the lid. So we have to close the lid and make it boiling. The coconut milk, when the coconut milk is drying already, turned to oily, that's the only time we're gonna add the bitter melon, ampalaya, or bitter gourd, because you know, it has, I want a dried gulay, a dried veggies ampalaya, and I want ampalaya crunchy, half cooked only. That's the way how I cook ampalaya guys. So no sote because I don't want to add any more oil. Oil, it causes, you know, the mantika, it causes you high cholesterol. So that's why I stop using oil for cooking guys. I avoid fatty foods. Once in a while I eat it outside in a restaurant, but at home I always prepare healthy. So if you want to watch how the healthy cooking guys, just watch my YouTube videos, a lot of them, how I prepare foods, the unhealthy food to become healthy. So you watch it on my YouTube channel guys. So we wait for like 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes when the coconut is drying already. That's the only time we're gonna add the bitter melon or ampalaya. See guys, it's clicking already. It means it's boiling. It started boiling. So we're gonna let it boil until it turns to oily, the coconut milk. So until it's fully cooked and it's turned to oily, the coconut milk, before we're gonna put the ampalaya. So it's gonna be crunchy, not overcooked. Because when you overcook ampalaya, you're losing some nutrients of it. So I wanna save all the nutrients from bitter gourd or bitter melon or ampalaya. That's why I want it half cooked. You see guys, it's clicking. That thing, it means it's boiling. So we can lower to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how I do guys when it's boiling already. So you can low, medium low, because 450 degrees Fahrenheit is medium heat. So I put in a medium low heat to keep the nutrients and vitamins of the onions, garlic, ginger, chili pepper, and tomatoes, lycopene. So that's how I always do cooking guys. It has to be very nutritious, the food, because we need it in our body. It smells so good guys. You know the smells of this ginataan with the smoked fish. Oh my god, it makes me so hungry now. I haven't eaten since this morning. So now it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon guys, because I'm doing 1 meal a day. That's how I do guys, 1 meal a day. See guys, if you don't work, you shouldn't eat. It's in the Bible. If you don't work, you should not eat anything. You have to work so you can eat. That's the rules in the Bible guys. If you don't know that, you have to read the Bible so you will understand. So let's check it out guys. Wow, look at that guys. Oh, so it's drying already guys, the coconut milk. So it's time to add the, I stir it right now because I don't wanna burn the bottom. So now it's time to add the ampalaya. Ikilit natin yung mga, we're gonna put on the side the smoked fish because I don't wanna melt it, the smoked fish guys. So I want the smoked fish be intact. And let's try the sauce. Oh my god, this is so perfect. This is the best ampalaya ever. And close the lid. 2 to 3 minutes. The fresh ampalaya is gonna be cooked guys. Here guys, from restaurant, I put in the fridge. I thought it was burrito, but it's tortilla. So I'm gonna put this on a toaster. So I'm gonna eat this toasted. So it's gonna kill the carbs. You have to toast it to kill the carbs. Oh my god, it's breaking. So I'm gonna put this in the toaster. Ang hirap guys na napakalit ng kitchen. Gonna toast it. So I didn't eat this in the restaurant. I take it home. You know, I don't wanna waste food. A lot of people, no food to eat. So I'm not sure how many I'm gonna eat it. Nag-break na siya o kasi na ano na, 3 days na ito, 4 days na. So guys, it's clicking already. The bacon bulb, we call it bacon bulb, the brain of the cooker. It means it's boiling again after 2 to 3 minutes. See? So it's gonna be ready. Let's take it out. Because I want half cooked already. There you go guys, look at that, it's still green. This is what I like for ginataang ampalaya. So let's turn it off. I turn it off already guys. So 2 to 3 minutes guys, see? Wow, ayan na oh. Nag-roasted na yung ilalim niya guys oh. So I'm gonna put the camera closer so you can see guys. So that's how you cook your ginataang ampalaya. You don't have to stir guys because it's gonna become bitter, the taste. The secret of ampalaya not become bitter when you are cooking. Don't always stir it. Only once when you are ready to eat it. So guys, the ginataang ampalaya, bitter gourd that cooked in a coconut milk, half cooked guys. So all the nutrients and vitamins are intact. See? And it's become oily, the coconut milk. See guys, so good. That's how I like. So I only cut half the tinapa. So it's still intact because I want tinapa to chew. So guys, the ginataang ampalaya, bitter gourd that cook in a coconut milk, half cooked guys. So all the nutrients and vitamins are intact. See? And it's become oily, the coconut milk. See guys? So good. That's how I like. So I only cut half the tinapa. So it's still intact because I want tinapa to chew. So kinakagat-kagat ba? Ayoko ng durog na tinapa guys kasi hindi na ako nasasarapan. So yung ganito, let's try it. The piece of ampalaya. So we're gonna try the piece of ampalaya, how it's gonna be the taste. So all the nutrients and vitamins are intact on ampalaya because it's half cooked. But if you want overcook, it's up to you guys. You're gonna kill 50% of nutrients if you're gonna overcook the ampalaya. That's why I like half cooked. Oh my god, it's so good. Yes, it's crunchy. I like it. You can taste the natural taste of ampalaya or bitter melon. Here you go guys, my meal for today. I have 1.5 tortilla, very small size, extra small size. So, and this is my meal. So, tinapa, half of smoked fish, and the rest are all bitter melon. So, this is my breakfast, my lunch, and dinner. That's it guys. So, thank you for watching. Super yummy guys. Kung matitikman nyo lang to. Ito ang ampalaya na hahanap-hanapin nyo sa sobrang sarap. So, ginataang ampalaya is the best. Better than gisa-gisa with eggs. I don't like with eggs. I eat sometimes with eggs, but my favorite is ginataang ampalaya. Sarap talaga ng ating pagkain ngayon. Diba? Bon appetit. So, complete meal na siya. Diba, roasted. Medyo nasunog yung aking tortilla. See guys, it's really turned to oil, the coconut milk on the bitter melon I cooked. It's so yummy. It's a little bit spicy. It's mild, it's spicy, and it's really good.